Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about integration. You can't unmake a cake. You can take all the ingredients, put them together, and in the end you have something that is more than the sum of its parts. Your life is a mosaic of your choices that you've made, the experiences that you've had, and the attitudes that you've developed. And if we look closely at our life and the things that are most important, and we make plans and we schedule in and we master control of our day so that we are using our 4 limited resources, time, energy, focus, and money, to put into and invest into the things that are important to us, then we put it all together and we create that life that we want. So let's take a look at the important behaviors and things to consider when you are putting that mosaic of your life together. So here we go. 7 hours of good sleep every night. Coping with stress. Sleeping, eating, exercising, mastering the 4 limited resources. Having a peace of mind account. Choosing healthier responses. Creating your morning ritual, the time for yourself to set the tone for your day. Mastering change, moving toward the positive with what you want, and then repeating it until it's a habit. Focusing your energy on your circle of influence and choosing peace of mind. Accepting and embracing struggle as an opportunity to grow and expand. Remembering that gratitude is a choice, not a feeling, and leveraging gratitude, having a clear vision, and scheduling the process so it leads to the outcomes that you want. Living in alignment with your innate values, creating a virtual board of trustees of the successful traits for decisions to be made in each of your life value accounts. Scheduling time for connection with your tribe. Practicing unconditional love. Mastering your life by balancing your virtual checkbook of time, energy, focus, and money, and avoiding overscheduling, overspending in any category, living within your means. Scheduling and planning for rest, repair, and rejuvenation, setting rhythms for good sleep, naps, a sanity weekend once a month, a longevity weekend once a quarter, an adventure vacation once a year, and a staycation once a year. Remember that wellness is experienced, not achieved. It's a choice every day.